I tested over Padel Rackets, played matches, and spent more than hours on the court, and honestly most of them were a complete waste of money. But 5 rackets, they didn't just perform, they shattered my expectations. One of them made me play. So my opponent asked if I'd been taking secret lessons. Another one, let's just say the brand is not who you'd expect. In this video, I'm revealing the only Padel rackets worth your money, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, or a pro looking for that competitive edge. Stick around, because number 1 on this list might actually be illegal to play with. Starting at number 1. Head Flash Pro Padel Racket. We love the Flash Pro for its oversized teardrop shape and mid-tier price point. The enlarged surface area makes it especially suitable for beginners to paddle, as they get better reach on the ball and a huge sweet spot. Those with intermediate experience will enjoy this racket too, as the fiberglass material holds up quite well and allows players to add a high level of touch to the ball. You might not get the most power or the best long-term durability out of this racket, but its balanced design and overall value for the price makes it our top choice. Number 2. Bablac Contact Padel Racket. One of the most trusted names in racket sports, Babolat created the perfect racket for those looking to take it easy on their wallets. Like most budget-friendly rackets, this one offers excellent forgiveness thanks to its oversized head and a larger-than-normal surface area. The Contact's 340-gram weight makes it one of the lighter rackets we reviewed. As for price, you can get this bad boy for $80, which is a certified deal if you ask us. Number 3. Head One Ultralight Padel Racket. At just 300 grams, this is arguably the lightest padel racket available today, making it incredibly easy to swing, control, reposition, and maneuver at the net for fast exchanges. This one utilizes a round head shape and foam construction for a larger-than-average surface area, increasing its sweet spot and minimizing mishits. It also features a 12K carbon face for plenty of pop and just enough power, which is impressive given its extremely lightweight design. This padel racket is perfect for casual players and beginners, especially given how easy it is to control, which is almost effortless. Even players who are working on improving their swing can benefit from its vibration-dampening tech. While it won't deliver the raw power of heavier rackets, the One Ultralight is designed for comfort and control at a reasonable price, given its loaded features. Number 4. Dunlop Sports Blitz Attack Padel Racket. If the name of your game is spin, then this is the racket for you. With a super thin graphite face, a rough finish texture, and a medium-density EVA core, this racket allows you to bring home game winners with a furious spin even the padel gods would envy. The unique V-hole also helps with control and a faster swing speed, which means greater power. Number 5. Adidas Metalbone Carbon Control 3.4 Padel Racket. If you want one solid all-around racket that gives you elite-level control, durability, and advanced spin, this racket from Adidas should be your go-to. It's made for advanced and competitive players and is built with carbon aluminized 16K fiber and a soft EVA that creates a uniquely firm, yet comfortable response that rewards precise shot placements. This model uses a round shape for a larger sweet spot area and has strategically cut out smart holes to help generate controlled spin while not taking away from its excellent accuracy. This racket's unique weight and balance system allows you to fine-tune the feel and performance of the racket by adjusting its weight distribution. Its octagonal frame design improves torsional stability, while the extended grip provides added leverage. Ultimately, it's a racket that will keep you competitive for years to come, and one of the smartest premium picks around. So there you have it, the best padel rackets that actually deliver. Every single racket on this list has been tested, retested, and pushed to its absolute limit, so you don't have to waste a single dollar on gear that won't improve your game. Now here is the important part: all the links to these rackets, including exclusive discounts and where to buy them at the best price, are waiting for you in the video description below. Trust me, some of these deals won't last long. If this video helped you choose your next racket, do me a favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more players who need to see it. Share this with your paddle partner, because honestly, they probably need an upgrade too. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications. I drop new gear reviews and training tips every single week. Now get out there, dominate the court, and I see you in the next one.